Today I show you how to make an immune boosting salad rich in anti-inflammatory, antiviral ingredients such as vitamin A, iron and immune boosting zinc. For the immune boosting salad we prepared some grated beetroot. We add 2 spoons. We have some grated carrots as well, 1 or 2 handful, a few rocket leaves, fresh rocket, a little bit of the grated or we diced it, sliced ginger, a few coriander leaves, then fresh kale, but we don't use the stalks because they're quite hard to digest, so we just remove the leaves of the kale. Add them like this in our immune boosting salad. Roasted pumpkin seeds, a little bit grated or pressed garlic, just a bit. Then we have a fresh avocado, which we just chop in rough pieces. Add them in the salad. Season with salt, fresh pepper, fresh lemon juice, and extra virgin olive oil. Okay, then mix all ingredients thoroughly together. Very colorful. So. Like this. Then to finish the salad, we add a little bit pumpkin seeds on top again. To garnish, some fresh coriander, a few rocket leaves, and then dress it with some more olive oil. And finish is our immune boosting salad, which is a light, healthy lunch option.